Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So in all actuality, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but if you haven't, what's basically going on here is the sideways channel pattern. In fact, let me do this to bring up that much more context. So ever since the price made the big move upwards here and then fell back below, ever since it fell back below that area right there, that's where the sideways channel began. And you can see since then, I mean, it hasn't been exact. There's been a couple times where it's fallen outside of the range and broken above it. But for the most part, like I said, if you get rid of that part and that part right there, the chart has done, or excuse me, the price has done a very predictable job of staying right inside of that channel right there. So that's really the key question to ask yourself going forward. It's just simply, and let's just use the 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this, video 20 hours from now. Just ask yourself the big question: where's the price at relative to this channel? Really, you have 3 potential answers you could be giving yourself. You could be saying, well, Clay, the price is actually up above 93.70, which is the top part of this channel, which would imply a bullish situation. That would imply that the price has gotten a breakout to the upside. And then, well, how bullish of a situation? Well, gut instincts and common sense at that point. The further up above 93.70 the price is, the more bullish the breakout has become. Next possibility, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, no, the price is actually down below 9,000, which is the bottom portion of that channel. Well, in that situation, that'd be very bearish. How bearish? Well, that would depend on how far down below 9,000 the price is. And then the final potential choice is you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually still down below 93.70, but it is still up above 9,000. So at that point, it would just still be stuck inside of the channel, and that would just be more consolidation, right? There's nothing that's really gone on as far as the big picture of things. Now, of course, you could have the price be going all over the place, but as far as the overarching standpoint, nothing is really happening until the price either gets a breakout of the channel or a breakdown of it. So walk yourself through those questions, keep an eye on these overall levels, and we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.